Hi everyone! Welcome back to Dash of Annie. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing Cadbury egg brownies. This is the perfect dessert to impress your friends and family with this spring. For the brownies, you'll need sugar, flour, cocoa powder, icing sugar, canola oil, sea salt, vanilla extract, cold coffee, Cadbury cream eggs, Cadbury mini eggs, and regular eggs. Grab a cupcake pan and line it with 6 cupcake papers or grease 6 spots with some butter. Set your pan aside and grab a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of flour, 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of icing sugar. Mix everything together. I forgot to add in the sea salt, so in a rush, I accidentally dumped way too much into the bowl. You just need 1 teaspoon of salt, so do as I say and not as I do. Grab a large bowl and add a 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of cold coffee, and your 2 eggs. Whisk everything together. If your dry ingredients have a few clumps, you can grab a sieve and then add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients 1/4 cup at a time. For some reason, I thought my sea salt was small enough to fit through my sieve. Since that didn't work, I just dumped it into the batter, and all that extra salt I added I could easily remove. If you're short on time, you can use a box of brownie mix to make the batter, but I recommend using this recipe because the thickness of this batter will help keep the cream egg in the middle when we bake them. Bring your cupcake tray back and fill the bottom of each paper with at least a tablespoon of batter. Add 1 cream egg to the middle of each. Make sure your cream eggs don't touch any part of the paper or the tray. You want to have brownie batter surrounding all surfaces of the egg to prevent it from melting in the oven. Cover each egg with more batter until each cup is full. Bake them in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. While your brownies cool, you can start making the toppings. Smash your mini eggs in a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin until you have nice chunks. For the chocolate icing, you'll need cocoa powder, vanilla extract, maple syrup, butter, and icing sugar. Add 1/3 cup of icing sugar and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to a bowl. Mix them together. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and a tablespoon of softened butter. Mix everything well. You can use the back of a spoon to help you blend your butter into the other ingredients. Once your brownies are cool enough to touch, remove the paper wrapper. Spread your chocolate icing on the top and sprinkle on some crushed mini eggs. And now you have some delicious Cadbury egg brownies. I really enjoyed making these. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.